reflexively, I call out, "Dear God, help." The next thing I know, I'm lying on my back, looking at the ceiling, death grip still intact, and 205 pounds of jelly laying on me. Roll him over, get him into a full mount, pin his arms down. "What are you doing? Are you trying to kill yourself?" Sorry. And he yells at me in some weird language that I had never heard before. Now, and I'll say this, all my years as an immigration officer at the airport, heard languages from all over the world, never heard anything that even remotely resembled what I heard that night. So I did what any Christian man would do. I wound up and I smacked him. And I mean, if it was a fist, he would have been unconscious, but it was just an open hand, and he just looked at me with hatred. Looked right through me, but hatred, animosity. And so I thought, what do I do next? I slapped him again. And I get off him, I say, "Stay here, don't move." I go to the door and I yell down for Greg to come down. He comes down, Phil's, I said, "Okay, get up in your bed." I go close his window before I left. "Sit down here, we're talking, the three of us." And we determine that we need one other guy. And this one other guy is probably the guy who most resembled what I thought the Apostle Paul would be. He was 5'4", Puerto Rican guy. He weighed 95 pounds, but he had an afro the size of all outdoors. When it was windy out, we had to hold him down. So we called his room, but he's already gone. He's gone to celebrate at the local Mexican food restaurant. I look outside, and walking across the one parking lot, about to cross the street into the next parking lot, I see him. Without a word, I'm out the door. I'm at the stairs. I'm not taking the elevator. We're on the 6th floor. There's 2 flights per floor. I touched down 12 times. Out the door, stop the car. "Tony, come with us." We're upstairs, we're talking. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Because this was about 10 o'clock. We talk in his room. We're going back and forth till about 10:15. When he says, "Let's get out of here. I want to go for a drive." So we think, good idea. We pile into Greg, his roommate's car. Greg, me, Phil, Tony. I'm sitting back just watching the conversation between these two. We didn't have seatbelts. It was 1976. So we're driving, but we're not driving through town. We're going through the backwoods of central Texas. There was no moon. It was overcast. If you turned the lights in the car off, you couldn't see the side of the road. It was that dark.